Today is the winter solstice and the first of our 12 days of Christmas at Lalande. Every year we decide to do the old medieval tradition of celebrating for a full 12 days. I made another little mess there. I made little parcels of mess all over the house. January is going to be tidying up month. This is it, the day of our first Christmas party. So we're going shopping to get lots of things for a delicious spread of canapes. Let's go and get all the goodies that we need for the next few days of feasting. This is the largest turkey in the supermarket. Anyway, I've grabbed it. And then we'll try and maybe have a goose as well, but I'm not sure they have any. I'm going to go and ask now. And then with 2 it should be fine.
Gosh, I wonder where they are.
It's the Christmas elves. We might not be able to get a big tree, but look, this is for my medieval theme for Christmas, for the dining room. What do you think? Prashant and I will be holding it throughout the entire meal whilst you all eat.
Do we have sort of kind of Fuji canapes?
Yes. Yeah. This is the state of our kitchen, the day of our first Christmas party. We've just done the shopping though, to be fair. I think it looks worse than it is.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, we can transform this. Marzipan, I actually have to use tonight. Can I help you in any way?
I think you might have to taste. This is delicious.
How lucky are we to have Donna finding our wines, an expert. Go and try.
Yeah, have a taste of this. So
yeah, you like that one?
Taste this.
Thank you. I love it.
I love it. It's so different than
Christmas chosen?
I think it's
This is a very exciting moment because I'm decorating the cake. And it just smells so strongly of Armagnac. Look! You did a good job of feeding this cake whilst I was away. I have rolled out the marzipan. I know this looks weird. I can't do anything about it. The French marzipan comes in a tricolour pack with green, yellow and pink. So when I mixed them together and rolled them out, I got crazy marzipan. I just need to boil a little bit of jam, which I will pour over the cake, and then I can stick the marzipan to it. We have a couple of small problems with this. I didn't have any apricot jam, so I'm using some sort of plum jam, and I can't find the actual pastry brush, so this might take some time. This might take a really long time. Could I pour some on and then just really quickly try and... Oh, that's quicker.
This one.
I've literally just finished. But quite literally just finished, but thank you.
You can save it for next year.
Better late than never. Here we go with the multicoloured marzipan. Yay, we got it on. Now I'm just going to try and neaten it up. How much Armagnac did you manage to get into it whilst I was away?
I think it might have been a bottle and a half.
A bottle and a half?
A bottle and this much.
You're joking. I think my record is a bottle up till now.
Yeah, it was a thirsty cake.
Very thirsty. Wow, this is going to be some Christmas. I'm just trimming off the excess of the 1.5 bottle of Armagnac cake. Quite pleased with how this has come out, even though it's completely randomly pink. Oh no, who's going to help me with the little offcuts of marzipan? What could we possibly do with them?
I'm sure I can dispose of this.
Now I have to let this dry out and I'll be able to decorate it with royal icing.
There are still more test bottles of wine upstairs. Shall I grab one and we can do a taste test? Even though this one seems to be winning.
Oh, I'm not sure. Oh, go on then. Oh my goodness, I'm distracted by the enormous present you're holding. I can't believe it.
It's really special to us. This is our region. This is like the finest of our region. So we are Southerners. We are the south of France.
This is the region that I grew up in.
Right, okay, yeah. This is not far from Sète and Cap d'Agde
Yes.
and all of that. And
That is
Cool.
so we thought this would go at least one round around the table.
right, just.
Maybe on the floor. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. Santé.
Santé! Santé! Cheers!
Look at this beautiful frosty sight. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I am attempting to decorate the cake, but I've never used royal icing before, so I don't know what I'm doing. I just need this to dry before I can put the little nativity scene on it, which is what I'm most excited about. Okay, it looks like a complete amateur job, but it is a complete amateur job, and I'm quite pleased with it. In that the entire cake is now covered with icing. Oh, now I've got a blob. And I'm going to leave it to dry so that tomorrow morning, on Christmas Day, we can put the nativity scene on. It's Christmas Eve, and I'm all dressed up and going down to meet everybody in the winter salon.
It just needs a little topper.
Oh, wonderful.
Excellent. Thank you. Apparently, Stephanie is a pillow.
I have.
Pillow Stephanie.
We've taken your art to a new level, and the photo that you took of me in the summer has been created into a cushion. I did not do this. I'm not this sacrilegious with your work. I just like to make that clear.
Okay. Does Pillow Stephanie look like
Do
Stephanie?
I look like a cushion?
It's really cool.
Your next exhibition will be entirely pillow based.
No, I think
there's
it's
a lot of fun with
entirely
that statement
Stephanie
there.
based. So the next
like a lot of
exhibition will be Play-Doh Stephanie and Lego Stephanie and Cushion Stephanie and oh boy.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning, and Michael and I are doing our annual job of helping Father Christmas with the stockings. I don't know why I always leave it till the last minute. It's a wrapping paper explosion in my bedroom. Are you off to see Santa?
I'm off to put the stockings up above the fireplace.
No, Santa does that, silly. You have to hand them to Santa.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. We're starting the day at Lalande with bacon sandwiches and Bloody Mary Christmas elf.
It's a Bloody Mary station. You can make your own with your fabulous horseradish vodka.
That was horseradish schnapps that I had in a restaurant in Tallinn. It was so amazing that I asked them if they could bottle some for me so I could take it home. I like your pajamas. Oh, the socks, Christmas socks. I don't understand, this is small. What is this glass for?
That's for water.
Right, so we'll just stack those up to one side.
Shall I take those back?
I think so. Solved the situation. This is it. It's resolved. We now have Bloody Mary glasses. Christmas Bloody Mary. Definitely what you need when you're opening presents. Bacon sandwich and a Bloody Mary. That is the perfect way to start Christmas Day. But there's also lots of sweet goodies for people with a sweeter tooth. Looks as though Michael might be one of them. You win the pajama award for Christmas. Christmas Grinch! Does that mean you're going to be stealing everyone's gifts under the tree?
Yeah.
Out the pajamas.
Don't let the Bloody Marys keep coming.
It's a Lalande ladder.
Ashley! Oh. Okay. This is taking core strength.
You're gonna... It's an early morning yoga Christmas session.
By the way, how do I get this off?
Pull.
Just pull it.
Yeah. Michael can jump at the door.
Oh, God. This is not possible.
Come down, get a ladder.
Christmas Day.
Husband. Ready? Can you? So in this moment, I need to open it.
Oh my God, it's so cool.
You missed one.
Where?
You missed one. There was another one over there.
Surely not.
You did. That one. Thank you. The tea bags are a very strange English invention called biscuit tea. In fact, I think it's probably vegan. Osman, you're in luck.
Where did you get
Oh, that's why we had one biscuit tea missing.
I'll swap your biscuit tea for...
Pink pepper fudge.
Zulu.
Amazing scarf in my stocking. Which country did Santa get this in?
Look at the green flames on the...
India.
He may have gone to India on his travels.
Wow. Do you like it?
Very much. It was wrapped by an elderly woman who...
Mariage Frère, my favourite tea company. Oh. tea with rich notes of vanilla fruits. Ooh,
Nice.
we'll be trying that later today.
The only role I ever had in a nativity play, like everyone at least got a shepherd or a something, and they gave me the Christmas tree role. So I literally had to stand as this Christmas tree at the school nativity, just like with this green like thing.
I thought the elf was supposed to be doling out gifts, and he seems to be doling out horseradish vodka.
Elf needs like whiskey or something.
The gift that keeps on giving.
I'm like drug Santa.
Oh my god, like Santa, like the elf is always drunk.
Yeah, this is to dear Stephanie.
Stephanie!
Oh, that's me!
This is gorgeous.
Duck, elf, duck.
Oh yeah, David, I knew this was perfect for you. I just knew it.
All right, this one is Mary Donna Christmas.
Mary Donna Christmas. Thank you.
Very
Pretty excited about this one.
Ooh.
Wow,
I had better
Osman.
ideas, but I wasn't
Osman
Who's this from?
is a great rapper.
right. You got my portrait done.
Yes, yeah. Who would like some champagne?
Me, please.
Okay, so far only 3 people want it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
4. This one's from Gerald. Look how huge it is.
So I opened it.
The belt is missing.
It was when I was in Egypt with him.
Oh, what are you doing to that poor Sphinx?
Smogging a Sphinx. Santa Gerald is taking you to Vietnam.
Wow!
Oh, that's so awesome. Scott, Matt and I, we're going to take over Vietnam together.
Awesome.
I saw these and thought of you and Isabel drinking tea and wanted to bring a little bit of England to your little piece of France. Look at these. Harrods, Brompton Road, London. How amazing is that? It's so beautiful. Can't get in, I don't want to break anything. Look at that. They are so wonderful. Oh, David, I can see you're already putting that apron to excellent use. What are the biscuits?
These are amaretti, which are actually never going to be seen because they're going in the bottom of the desserts.
I am about to decorate the Christmas cake. Okay, I know the royal icing isn't perfect, but I've never done it before, and it's a miracle I managed to get it to cover the cake in the first place. I'm not going to do much to decorate the cake because it's really about the little nativity scene that we're going to put on it, but I do feel it needs to have a little more sparkle. Everything's better with sparkle. So this is a copper spray, and onto that I'm going to put a little bit of gold. More is more. Oh yes! This is all edible, of course.
As long as it's actual gold, I mean, bring it on.
And then this has really been a case of getting the bottom of what was in the cake decorating drawer. I'm going to put some of these little balls on it.
So it's more gold, copper and balls than gold, frankincense and myrrh on this nativity.
Or we could maybe more elegantly call it gold, copper and pearl.
Pearls, got it. Got it.
I'm about to start cooking. I've got the turkey and the goose. They have to go into the oven soon. But my meal plan today, because it's Christmas, is actually all written on little stars. So I'm going to stick that up on the wall, and as I've made something, I can take it down. Otherwise, I'll forget 100 things.
Do you know that we've only cooked pudding so far?
I know, I'm a bit worried. Let them eat cheese. We are running catastrophically late this Christmas. We didn't finish opening the presents till 3 p.m, which means we're not going to have Christmas lunch until dinner. That's going to be an 8 o'clock meal, and that has freed up Christmas afternoon tea. And I've just finished decorating the Christmas cake, so that's going to go out with the tea. There is my finished oeuvre. The nativity, waiting for little baby Jesus to be eaten out of this cake, and I've covered it in gold and copper and little pearls. We must find little baby Jesus. Christmas afternoon tea.
Oh my god!
Oh yes!
Colours from the forest feathering sage.
I like the way the sage matches your skirt as well.
Deliberate.
I'm covered in truffle butter because look, I'm making turkey stuffed with truffle butter. It's under the skin all the way around. Ooh. And we're having a goose as well with spices. It's nearly done now. I just think I need to cover in a little bit of truffle oil as well because more is more. Now the spiced citrus goose is going in, drizzled with honey. I don't know which I'm looking forward to the most. Look at this incredible saffron that Mason makes. He gave it to me when we were on holiday in Finland and I'm using it to make deviled eggs. So I've been soaking it in water overnight. There's the deviled eggs ready for everyone to come down all dressed up. Well, it's 20 to 10 and we're about to sit down and have our Christmas dinner. So a little later this year because Mummy's not here, but it's been a very relaxing afternoon. What lovely people around this table. What's it like being on the other side of the lens, Renee?
Tip number one, always shoot women my age from above. Right. Flash mouse. Action.
So you're saying from above?
Always.
What do you call a man with a pole through his leg? Rodney. Good one.
No.
Don't be jealous.
I am jealous.
Look at that. Now I can actually see it.
Inspector Gadget.
I call them my laser cat glasses.
And here begins retro Christmas, starting with prawn cocktail.
France doing some wine tasting.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Thank you, Donna. Merry Christmas. Here is the truffle turkey. Do you like my gloves? And the 5-spice goose. And of course, the Brussels sprouts, because you would complain if we didn't have Brussels sprouts.
Yep, wouldn't be Christmas.
I don't want to talk about the potatoes!
But tell us, what went wrong with the potatoes?
It was all going so well. They're a bit crispy. I like them crispy. And now it will be your turn to like them crispy, whether you like it or not. Where's the hedgehog?
Bring it to the laundry room.
Oh no, where? Roxette, of all the places that you've chosen to hide, this is the silliest yet. We're going to make you a little hibernatory box because I think that's what's going on here. I really like the apron on the formal outfit too, David. It just works. It works with every different scenario, doesn't it? Oh, I need to make gravy. Oh, what fun.
This is a chocolate trifle with homemade amaretti biscuits soaked in amaretto at the bottom. Chocolate cream in the middle, which also has more amaretto in it. And then mascarpone cheese piped on the top in pretty shapes. This is only the pre-pudding. We also have raspberry sorbet and a lemon tart.
Oh, thank goodness.
It's white outside and the night is cold.
That was such a wonderful Christmas. I did miss having Scott Man and Mummy and Percy here, but it was wonderful with my friends. But I'm exhausted. It's 1:30 in the morning and I've been on my feet in the kitchen all day. The only thing between me and bed is getting out of this party dress, but right now it seems like an insurmountable hurdle. Good night, everyone, and Merry Christmas.